we're going to develop a circuit that is referred to as a voltage divider. To do this, we're going to utilize our Arduino as a power supply and a method to read the voltage coming in. Our breadboard, a variable resistor that is a photoresistor, and an NTC resistor, which is a thermistor, so it changes with temperature, a fixed resistor, which is 10K ohms, and 3 wires. To start off, we're going to connect between our red power line and 5 volts, and our blue ground and our ground over here. And so now what's going on is all of these pinholes next to the red line have 5 volts, and all the pinholes next to the blue line have 0 volts. I'm now going to take my photoresistor. I'm going to plug one end into 15 volts and the other end into my 5 volts line. I'm then going to take my 10K ohm resistor and I'm going to connect it into that row of 15 and into ground, and then I'm going to take my last wire here and connect between row 15 and A0. What's going on here is that my purple line will give me the percentage of the resistance in the system. And so what happens is the electricity is coming on the red wire, it's being resisted by the photoresistor, and then being resisted by the fixed resistor and going to ground. As the light source changes on this, the resistance in this changes also. And so that changes the amount of percentage that's going to be over the top or the bottom part of the circuit. And so by changing it, we have the value change that we can read. And so we can get a real-time feed of our voltage value in this setup. We can utilize this photoresistor, and it's going to be very easy to see the changes because they'll be very drastic. So when I cover it over, it will drop or rise, and vice versa when I remove my finger. I can also use a flashlight to bring the light level up if I so desire. If I switch this out for the NTC resistor, again I'm going to line 15 and my power. When I pinch it with my fingers, the temperature will go up, and you'll see that within MATLAB, but it will be much more gradual because it takes a little bit longer to heat up. And so, once we have our circuit developed, like so, I can then connect it through my USB 2 port into my computer and then connect it into MATLAB.